Are you tired of trying endless diets and weight loss tricks that never seem to work? Have you ever wished for a natural, easy-to-make drink that could boost your metabolism and help with your weight loss journey? Well, you're in luck. Today, you will discover the Brazilian Mounjaro Recipe, a refreshing, antioxidant-rich drink that is worldwide famous. Packed with natural goodness and health benefits, this vibrant beverage is a perfect addition to your daily routine. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. Brazilian Mounjaro is a wellness drink inspired by traditional Brazilian remedies. It is known for its natural ability to regulate blood sugar, enhance digestion, and boost metabolism. The secret behind Brazilian Mounjaro lies in its powerful ingredients. To prepare this drink, you'll need 500 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of dried butterfly pea flowers, 1 teaspoon of honey optional, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Each ingredient contributes to the drink's health benefits uniquely. Butterfly pea flowers are packed with antioxidants that support overall wellness and give the drink its stunning blue color. Lemon juice is a great source of vitamin C, helping with digestion and immune support. Apple cider vinegar is essential in boosting metabolism, reducing fat storage, and controlling appetite. Making Brazilian Mounjaro is simple. Start by boiling 500 milliliters of water in a saucepan. Once the water is hot, remove it from the heat and add 2 tablespoons of dried butterfly pea flowers. Let them steep for about 10 minutes, allowing the vibrant blue color and nutrients to infuse. If you prefer a clear drink, you can strain out the flowers. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of honey, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This vibrant drink isn't just beautiful, it's packed with benefits. Butterfly pea flowers provide antioxidants, apple cider vinegar aids digestion and metabolism, and lemon juice delivers vitamin C for immunity and fat burning. Enjoy improved digestion, a faster metabolism, and natural weight loss support. Simple, tasty, and easy to make. Add Brazilian Mounjaro to your daily routine and feel the energy of Brazil in every sip.